This is totally an Old West horror play song, okay?
Nuh-uh.
You have no idea what the f you're talking about.
Neither do you.
Hello and welcome to another video where I review a video of a person who used my video to make a video.
Yeah.
Today we're going to be reviewing a video that was sent to me by a man named a f***ing Space Marine.
What?
A f***ing Space Marine.
That's the actual name?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I thought you were like kidding.
He sent this to me. He says that he used my method from How to Fake Being Good at Piano, which will be linked at the end of this video. We don't know if it's him or not because there's no one in the video. It's just black. So we have no idea.
I respect this. I greatly respect this.
If this is actually a fucking Space Marine. You can't confirm that without video evidence. You could just be some guy, so...
Don't take that. Hide behind the camera. You're doing good.
So here we go, we're gonna play it. I'm gonna put myself on the black screen so we can watch it together. This is totally an Old West horror play song, okay?
Nuh-uh.
You have no idea what the f you're talking about.
Neither do you.
Now it's an intro to a video game from 1980. Like Mega Man will come up. This is like running through the level, jumping on the platforms.
Did he write this himself?
I would imagine he's freestyling right now.
Wow.
Yeah. Because what he's doing is basic and you can make music out of it, but what he really wants to do is expand from that upwards to where his hands are able to play independently from each other so that he can hold a single tempo with the left hand and do a completely different pattern with the right to make a more
Super
unique
hard.
sound. I mean, it's not though. You just have to do it enough for your brain to, oh. Alright, well, once again, that was a fucking Space Marine. Thanks for watching this video, guys. As you can see, this method has many uses and is versatile, and you can play many different styles of music. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and the like button. Turn on a notification bell and all that stuff, you know, because I'm a YouTuber and it's a staple of every video.
Show some love to, what is it?
A fucking Space Marine. I'm going to post his channel in the description. He has other videos, and you guys can check those out. Alright, see you next time.
Bye.
This is how you fake being good at the piano. Now, there are many chords and scales and techniques that a person who becomes good at the piano must learn. F all that. We're not trying to get good at the piano. We're just trying to fake it. Anyone who actually plays the piano will see right through what we are doing. F them, they could go swallow a fork. Ain't nobody got time to be spending 8 hours a day, 7 days a week practicing piano. This technique requires you to learn 3 main things. The 4 main chords of any song in rock and roll. C, G, A flat, F. Every single song follows these 4 chords in a different order, or in the same order. Let it go, let it go. And then the correct finger spacing. And at that point, all it takes is random button pressing, and you're good to go. The 4 chords are located here. C, G, A flat, and F. You'll always start with your pinky on one of the 4 of those chords. Start with your left hand, pinky on C, and you skip 1, 2, 3, and then land on the 4th. And then you skip 1, 2, and land on the 5th. This is the spacing. Always, no matter what your hand is doing, it will be this spacing here. Remember this. No matter where you go on those 4 starting positions, here, 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 same spacing. When your left hand is in the right position, from your thumb, skip 1, and then there's your right hand's first position here. So it's skip 1, pointer finger, skip 2, pinky. This is the position. This always stays the same no matter where you go. So as long as you maintain steps 1 and 2, you can hit any button sequence you want. The more random, the more skilled you're going to look, and it will still sound good, especially since you're staying in the pentatonic scale. So with your right hand, you can just go crazy. This is called a sustain pedal, I think. It makes the notes sustain. Everything sounds prettier when you hold down this pedal. Hold the sustain down with your foot always. Make sure when you're done f***ing around, and everyone's impressed, do a run all the way up the keys. Starting at the C, right here, with your pinky. Doing the correct spacing. In order, run up the piano. And then immediately switch to here, which is the next C up, and do the same thing. And then one more. Do that a few times to get comfortable, and then you can just hammer it. You're welcome.